Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Deborah Bloome. I am the policy director with a new project called Accelerate Resilience Los Angeles. And the title of it is Using Watershed Science to Build Consensus and Maximize Benefits of LA County's Safe Clean Water Program. Next slide, please. So tonight I'm going to share the results of a really transformative working group effort, excuse me, to build consensus and recommendations for the adaptive management of LA County's Safe Clean Water Program. So you might be asking, what does this have to do with resilience? So the passage of Measure W by voters in LA County created a new dedicated source of funding of almost $300 million a year for stormwater projects. It's now called the Safe Clean Water Program, and it has the 14 goals you see on the right. If done right, we truly believe that projects stemming from this funding could be a huge down payment in LA County's built and natural infrastructure and for jobs and climate resilience. However, the problem is that some stakeholders feel that some of these 14 goals are competing for those same dollars. So for example, LA municipalities are really excited to put these funds towards water quality improvements due to looming Clean Water Act mandates, while others, for example, environmental justice groups, might prefer projects focusing on nature-based solutions. So due to these tensions and the great opportunity to deliver on the benefits that this funding could bring, Arla led a facilitated process using a collaborative scientific approach and watershed modeling to help bring data-backed recommendations on how to adaptively manage these taxpayer funds. So given that the municipal and NGO players have not always seen eye to eye on these issues, we brought them together with a robust team of technical experts to build their trust, to put their previously vigorously held positions to the side, to really listen to each other, and to be open to what the data would show. And we looked at the really key aspects to what would be needed to build resilience across LA's communities, including topics such as, well, how do you determine what types of projects communities actually want and need? Do they want more shade for extreme heat days? Do they want more parks for recreation? If so, how do you determine what types of projects that land can actually support? So if they do want more parks, are there any available or potential parcels of land to actually put those parks on? How do you address equity issues? Should the county incentivize private property owners, including many of you on the call, to retrofit their yards? And if so, what amount should that incentive be? And much, much more. So ultimately, we came to consensus on 22 recommendations that we have submitted to the County Flood Control District. It can be seen along with 2 videos explaining some of the findings on our website, which you see here. And we really hope this type of process can be replicated to help solve other critical yet complicated issues regarding resilience in LA County and beyond. Thank you.